Hey y'all, this is Mia from Mia's Little Farm here in Nashville, Tennessee, here with an update on my garden transformation. So far, we've removed 5 of the raised beds from the area right behind me. This is going to become a really big perennial herb garden, and I'm also going to include lots of plants for my bees. My blueberry patch is also going to be moved probably to the area right behind me. Today though, we have something else that we need to get done, so come with me and I'll show you what we have in store. Today we're focusing on the raspberry patch. I've had this patch of raspberries about 5 years and it always produces lots of yummy berries. Last fall, all the dead canes were pruned out. Now that spring is almost here, new canes are starting to emerge and last year's canes are starting to leaf out. So it's really important that any changes we make are done now. The big thing that we want to focus on is removing these metal fence posts that we've been using as support and add some nice new wooden ones. We're also going to enlarge the raspberry bed and plant several more canes because you can never really have too many raspberries. Our new raspberry trellis is made from 4x4 beams that we buried 18 inches in the ground with concrete to keep it stable. We have 3 of these support posts 10 feet apart. We added cross beams and little eye hooks so we could put 20 gauge wire, which is what holds the raspberries in place as they grow. The whole thing just took an afternoon for my husband and I to build. It was very inexpensive and very easy.